It's windy as hell right now, but today we're gonna be doing some dashing on the scooter. I got my first order already, $7, 1 mile on UberEats. Let's go ahead and get it done. Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, man. Yeah, girls. Yeah.
Too, man. $6.75 per mile.
Yes, sir.
Been out for a few hours now. Made $15.51 on Grubhub, $7 so far on UberEats, $10 so far on DOORDASH, and that's all off of $1.05 in gas. Let's get it. Today we got this little UberEats order, Starbucks, $5 for 1 mile. Good thing with the scooter is I can just go ahead and hang that bad boy right there.